I just want to thank you all for inviting me here. It is truly such an honor just being here in this event, being able to experience such an event, and actually, just being here in Zamboanga for the first time. To get to the story, being here reminded me of my last year in high school. Doon po kasi ako nagsimula ng actual journey ko sa career na to. And seeing everyone's faces, I remembered how and when I started to play volleyball. And alam mo, at alam nyo rin ang feeling na to, kinabahan, excited, eager, and maybe some of you feel the same feeling as well. And it's normal coming to this tournament, lalo na kung first time nyo, di ba? At yung sabihin ko lang po sa inyo, minsan nasabi rin natin sa sarili natin na, lisod man kayo ni, uy, dili naman ko ganahan. Sakit naman kayo ni. But, you know, as long as you do your best, give your 100% and play your hearts out. Of course, comes with teamwork, hard work, and dedication. Magiging worth it ang lahat. And I promise you, there will be no regrets. We have moments like this, and believe it or not, I came to a point in my life na sinabi ko sa sarili ko na, tigil na to, suko ko na to, ayoko na. Pero looking back, through the ups and downs, through my years in playing the sport, I came to learn and love volleyball. And it has actually changed my life for the better. And I really hope that you do too. And hindi siya madali na proseso. Believe it or not, hindi siya madali. But you know, if you do something that you really love, no matter how hard it gets, how difficult it takes, and how challenging it will be the greatest feeling yet pag na-overcome mo lahat yun. But despite everything, ang mahalaga dito is that you learn to have fun. Because alam niyo, the best thing about being here is that you get to be with your teammates, coaches, and God especially to celebrate each point. Win or lose, huwag natin kalimutan mag-enjoy. Kasi sabi nga nila, enjoy the little things because one day you look back and realize they were the big things. And with that, I just want everyone to know here in front of me that you being here is already something big. It's something that you've been blessed with because not everyone is given the chance to experience such an opportunity with where you are, what you have, and who you are right now. So, pero alam nyo, when it comes in a point in your life na naabutan nyo na yung gusto nyong maabutan, don't forget to look back and recognize those people, thank those people behind your success. Stay humble, keep your feet on the ground, and as they say, let your success do the noise. So, with everything, let's be grateful always, in all ways. Again, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. It's great to be here, happy to be here, and good luck to everyone. Maraming salamat po.